Right guys, so I was doing an experiment where I had a CO2 cylinder connected to my keg, the little 16-ounce cylinders, and I decided the experiment I did was just with water and star san, needed to be properly done with beer. Now this is my American Pale Ale that was meant to be for a wedding, and with a 16-ounce CO2 cylinder attached. Initially I had it set up for 25 psi. I'll talk about that in a bit. But yeah, so this is what it's doing still. Alright, and I'll show you in a sec. Alright, that's the line, and you can see it's still connected there. But up here I've been taking markings of when I've been putting them in, and obviously they've just got another 2/3, so that's what, 6 pints and 2 4 10, so that's 11 of the 2/3, which one more would make it 2 4 6 8 pints. We'll see how we're getting on for 8 pints there, plus 6 is 14. Look at that maths, wow. So about 14 pints I've done so far using the CO2 test. I know somebody else mentioned, I think it was Tony Yates, I think, said he'd never seen the experiment done, so I decided to do it with beer, and those are the results so far. Right, I think that's it. I think that's as far as I can go with the CO2. And if we move to the wall, and we are doing that one, which is there. So that's 12 of the 2/3 of a pint, which is 8 pints, plus the 6 full pints, makes 14 pints. So we got 14 pints out of one CO2 cylinder. So 28, 30, 42. You should get 3 gas cylinders should do a full keg. Alright, that's good. Right, what I'm going to do here is I'm reconnected back to the gas. I'm going to turn the gas on and we'll see what happens. That's filling. And turn it on again just to top it up, yeah. And that's at about, what, 15 psi? That took a fair bit of filling to get it back up. So there you go. Well, that is the CO2 experiment. Take from it what you will. As I said before, I started at 25 psi, connected one of those. I have to admit, it's been sat on there for several days and it's gone quite flat. But I imagine if you're doing this in one night, because obviously I worked out it was what, 12, 8, 6, 14 pints. Yeah, good sesh. On like this. So I assume if you did that in one night, it wouldn't get this flat. But you'd probably change it a bit earlier. So maybe 10 pints. Love you and leave you.